Hi guys, my name is Nkano Esther from Cinematography class.
Hi guys, my name is Olatunji Tobi and I joined the IoT Cisco training.
Hi, my name is Sharon from PC and Phone Repairs.
My name is Lawal Olaoluwa from PC and Phone Repair Group, Cisco.
Hi, my name is Faithful from Cinematography class.
Good day everyone, my name is Ashiwaju Ashegun Gospawa. I'm a student of Cisco solar panel class.
My name is Oibanji Tempepe Emmanuel. I participated in the Introduction to Cybersecurity course.
I want to thank Cisco for this great opportunity because I've been able to learn a lot of things, to build a solar panel generator.
I've always had this dream of learning about solar panels and other things, but Cisco brought this dream to pass. We were able to work on certain projects, and one of our projects was creating a solar generator, which we did on our own.
Basically, before I joined the class, I thought that Python was a very difficult and very hard something, but during the course of the class, I was able to learn the basics of Python.
So I attended cybersecurity classes, and the training, the lectures, they've all been very helpful. We had hands-on experience, practical experience.
My name is Oluwati Ayofe from the Cinematography group, and I'm also going to start with a thank you very much to Cisco for this opportunity to speak after learning so much through our classes.
My name is Chukwemeka Eliezer Fujibu, and I'm presenting the IoT sector of the Cisco program. Well, so far I've been able to learn a lot through integration of hardware and software. Using our IDEs, we're able to indulge in projects like the car speed detector and many more.
I've been able to learn home automation, basically with networking skills. I've been able to use networking skills to learn how to conserve energy by most of my electrical devices to a particular network where I can easily control them.
Through the PC and Phone Repairs classes, I was able to learn a lot of things. I was able to learn how to fix a screen, and I had a similar problem before, so now that I have the knowledge on how to do it, I can easily apply.
And this cinematography class was like a dream come true for me because I've always enjoyed photography and filmmaking, but now I was able to experience it in a different light, and not just as a hobby, but like as a professional thing, commercial wise, social media wise, and even content, and even for funny things that I like to do for my personal sake. This has been such a great experience.
During cinematography, I learned how to handle camera properly. I learned how to shoot commercials. I was involved in the editing process of the commercial, and I've added value to myself.
And I feel like now that I've learned, like it can help me financially. If I have friends that have broken laptops, or even me personally, if my laptop is broken, I can just fix the screen easily without paying, without worrying of getting a new laptop.
What I learned is how I can use microcontrollers and field sensors with LCD to actually detect speed, which I can use in traffic control management.
I also thank Cisco for this opportunity for me to be able to learn Python. And I also want to thank the CDS for bringing this opportunity to us.
Thank you to Cisco for bringing this platform.
And thank you so much, Cisco, because this was an awesome experience.
Thank you, Cisco, for this experience.